Hello viewers, thank you so much for stopping by. What we will be reviewing today on Silly Reviews, grab my trusty knife. This is a food delivery box from Imperfect Foods. Imperfect Foods is a food subscription site. They have their own label brands of things like cheese and pasta, other things. They also sell not so pretty produce and things like that, overstock. Reasonably priced for what you get. The contents of this box, excluding what you already saw on the counter, approximately $39 before shipping. Shipping was somewhat reasonable, and it was late. It was a day late. Take a look inside of the box. This is what I chose. I tried to get the most bang for my buck with a coupon code. We've got a pound of elbow macaronis. Anna, never heard of her. We've got a pound of potatoes. The potatoes look fine, but they were soaking wet. I don't know if it had anything to do with this being a day late, but the entire box was moist. It seemed like the ice packs had been leaking a good bit. It was actually puddling in there. We've got some Roma tomatoes here. Roma tomatoes look just fine. There was nothing special about them. They did not taste homegrown, farm-grown, nothing different from the grocery store. Just as bland as they always are. So a good selection of those. They looked fine. It seemed like the moisture doesn't really have the same effect on a tomato as it does on those potatoes. Dig into this little brown bag here. We've got some of the more flimsy. Oh, I thought that was going to be some flimsy vegetables. That's actually some oil. That oil is all caked up. It actually does not need to be refrigerated. Very cool truffle-infused oil for $6. It seemed fancy. I've already tried it. I tell you what, it is delicious. So good. That oil does not need to be refrigerated. Just keep it in a climate-controlled, dark place, and it'll be fine. That was delicious, though. I'm looking forward to using it. I'll be sad when it's done. Now, if we peel back, we're going to go ahead and pop the top on the insulation here. You'll see some other goodies. Lots of cheese products. I have some cream cheese spread. Organic. It's so organic. Shout out to all the earthly folk from the West Coast if you're watching. What else do we have? Sharp cheddar cheese. I've already dug into that cheddar cheese, and I'll tell you, it was kind of dry and kind of crispy. A little disappointing. It didn't look like that from the outside. Sure enough, I know sharp cheese is going to be a little more firm and sharp, but it was crumbly, which is not good. Sliced provolone cheese. Now you see they have their own label on some of their products, so you can see here that says Imperfect Foods on it. It's either 6 ounces or 8 ounces. What else do we have in here? We've got some shredded sharp cheddar cheese, again branded by Imperfect Foods. Keep in mind this entire box was $40 before shipping. Shipping ran in the $6.99 ballpark, I believe. Now we have some shredded mozzarella cheese. So much cheese. The cheese just seemed like the best value. It was on sale, and it was right at grocery store, big box grocery store prices. I couldn't turn it down. These were delicious. I've tried these already. Organic Sriracha jalapeno chicken sausage from, I don't know what that was, that label. Now I can't see it. But it doesn't have nitrates and this, that, the other thing, MSG, all that stuff. True Story is who makes these. They're organic. Again, hello, California. And I can tell you, they were packed with flavor. Absolutely delicious. We have here another cream cheese. This is a cream cheese spread. So I believe that's going to be similar to when you buy things from Dollar Tree that say cream cheese and then little words below it because it's like imitation and stuff like that. So it may not be full-on cream cheese. Here, I tried this already before creating this video. We've got seasoned chicken breast, what did it say on there? Fillets, strips, Italiano style, a goobagoo. They were delicious. I ate those last night, as a matter of fact. Sprinkled a little cheese on them and put it over a little pasta. Delicious. That's the end of it. The bag is soaking wet. There may be a leak in there. They're no drip. Does that say no drip? Liar. But we'll keep that in the fridge because it is hot outside, and I like to keep those ice bags on me. when I'm outside or sitting, put a towel around them and they help you cool off. So that's Imperfect Foods. If you're wondering what you get, that's what you get. That's what I got. Thanks for helping us build a better food system together. They will, on a future delivery, come and pick up the ice bags and box and all kinds of things. That's kind of a neat twist that Imperfect Foods has on things. But overall, I would give it 2 thumbs up. Thanks for watching.